Hi, are you wondering what are the benefits of studying sign language? For me, one of the many benefits is enriching your vocabulary. You might think I'm joking, but it's true. An English word can have many meanings or synonyms, and it's signed the same way, especially if you're a Filipino signer who signs in ASL. Often, the situation we need to sign is in Filipino or our local language. Then, we have to think what's the corresponding English term for it. Then, we sign it. See, there are many steps before we can sign. So, if you want to enrich your vocabulary, study sign language. Hi, thank you for your continued support. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions, suggestions, or comments, please write in the comments below. See you in the next video.